How does Cancer Man test you? Sensitive and undeniably loyal. Cancer Man can sweep you off your feet in a heartbeat. If he likes you, he'll start testing you to see if you're truly the one. Cancers can be quite mysterious and hard to read at times. How a Cancer Man can test you in a relationship. This list of signs to help you out. 1. He watches how you treat other people. A sensitive Cancer wants to see how empathetic you are. Cancers are water signs. They're super sensitive and rather emotional. He'll want to know if you're capable of treating him with the empathy he needs. He needs reassurance and tenderness in a relationship. Be your authentic self when you're around him. 2. He asks about your family. A Cancer Man looks for loyalty and devotion in a partner. Asking about your upbringing and family helps him learn more about you and your values. He is very connected to his own family. Let him know if talking about your family is triggering. He's looking for honesty and vulnerability. The last thing he wants is to make you uncomfortable. 3. He tells his friends and family about you. A loyal Cancer wants to see if his friends and family approve of you. He cherishes his relationships. The opinions of his friends and family matter most to him, so he'll tell them all about you if he's serious about you. He'll most likely want you to meet them. 4. He asks about your passions and aspirations. Imaginative Cancers seek someone who shares their creative spirit. By asking about your biggest hopes and dreams, he's testing how open you can be with him. He wants to know what makes you tick. 5. He showers you with presents. A Cancer Man will stop at nothing to show you how much he cares about you. He'll surprise you with gifts. He notices the little things, and appreciating his efforts can go a long way. Thank him for the gift if it's something you truly appreciate. Put his gifts to good use. This will show him that he's doing something right. 6. He opens up emotionally. Reserved Cancers want to know how you'll react when he's vulnerable. He won't share his deepest thoughts to just anyone. He is extremely protective about how he expresses himself. Opening up emotionally is a giant step for him. How you react can be a sign if he wants to continue with the relationship. Be supportive when he does come to you. He craves validation and a listening ear. Being vulnerable isn't easy for him. 7. He leaves his phone unlocked around you. A loyal Cancer will test your trust. This little test will prove if you believe him to be as loyal as he says he is. Leave the phone untouched instead of flicking through his messages and emails. Leave your phone unlocked in his presence. This shows that you trust him too. 8. He starts serious conversations. A Cancer Man looks for honesty in a relationship. He wants to feel secure and comfortable when he's with someone, and that includes being able to share and respect each other's beliefs. He already bottles up his emotions and thoughts from the world. The last thing he wants to do is hide them from you. If he opens up a conversation or asks a serious question, humans don't talk about it. 9. He invites you to hang out with him. A Cancer Man wants to see if you'll make room in your life for him. He's 100% devoted to the relationship. To him, spending quality time with each other is extremely important. Take this as an opportunity to show him you want to spend more time with him. 10. He asks you about your future. Devoted Cancers want to know if you're in the relationship for the long haul. He may test you by asking you detailed questions about the future. Do you want kids? What does your dream job look like? Where do you want to live? Be truthful with him about what you want. 11. He starts pushing you away. Cancers will go against their instincts to see if you're the one. The last thing he wants is to lose you. But he has to know if you feel as strongly for him as he does for you. He may start backing off a bit. Capture his attention with a romantic gesture.